All right. So in our live broadcast, our sister told me about what Eggman, the outcome of why he's Ocha in France, who traveled to Finland to CPM, the outcome of her visit. Even though I already have some kind of a little idea, the outcome of that her visit to PM in Finland, and the whole thing points out that that journey is not actually successful the way she wanted it. But Eggman is here to explain everything. You know, I'm not supposed to record this video. This kind of video is something that we should have just discussed on a live broadcast, but I'm not sure when and how I can make it. So I have to record this video now, and it may be long. So I'm just giving you an idea. This video may be a little bit longer than our normal uploading. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. I am not here to mock anybody, but the reason why I want to share this with us, for you to know the journey of why is Ocha and what she actually wants to achieve. Many of us may not be aware of the outcome of the meeting, but for the fact that Eggman, Mazi, Akwa, and the Mama Dabi is working together like they always do, these are the group that actually made Ogekere ATM and make him finance. Promote him to become ATM and retain the finance minister and everything until the whole thing started going against them. They started running helter-skelter. So Eggman is here, you know, to share a few things that he knows about the journey of Ocha to Finland, and we are going to go through that. So, like I said, make sure you like the video. I think the best thing to do now is to present to you Ocha. Let's just a little clip. Her video after going to Finland. She trying to pass a message to Biafrans that PM said this, PM said that. So here Ocha now, and after this, we will now move straight to Eggman to know what Eggman actually said.
Na case on August 5th.
That is PM.
5th of August. That time, the 5th of August, we during holidays. So, one be capable to come Finland. 5th of August to bet. I'm not be how many days? Every date. 5th of August. Then I'm not be how many days? Oh yeah. Well, last 1 day, 2 days, 3 days on my home. Date it's 5th of August. And then I say, only one from Biafra Nanya, near Biafra na Mazi. Now one year on Finland for that days, yeah. They made that say, we be no. So from now to August to the days of Daka. And during that time holidays. So you schedule your vacation that time. Kainine march here to Finland. With Ikenebube. Kainine march to Finland. When you want to fly Biafra Nanya. I want you flow about Obiananya. Only one flew Biafra, Nanya. Yane mai, we would take. Choloka in my Choloka, because I'm not coming CPA. Onya, Biava, Finland. Kai to go with one voice. What's the boss of Gonolo? Go to Finland. Minesondo Ogenkelo, he believe no Genkelo, he believe na Ngozo na Golo Fulani.
When I say, I Gaga with one voice. No, na the same video now Ngozo na Golo Fulani. Why, Oye call Filgagia. Unity.
Believe na CRCO. Iya Cholo Amu. when you believe in a group, I believe in a group, I believe in a group. If you are Biafra, you are not Biafra. Just you can see
now, after making this video, people don't know what transpired until Eggman decided to talk. Okay, I think let me choose the part because the video of Eggman here, Mazi Akwa, is 2 hours 42 minutes 39 seconds. I believe it should be more than that though, but that's what I'm saying here. Now listen.
And for the sake of this movement, what are the live videos here? In light, because
now listen.
That by now she would have stopped all those lies. She's been lying, especially this lie of her boyfriend Ebe Kodike. Tonight I'm going to swear. She said I should swear. I will swear.
Now, why is Ocha, made a video in a dark room, okay? And she made, according to Mazi Akwa, said that the video is almost, I think, 15 minutes. And he indicted Mazi Akwa on some things that Mazi Akwa and Ebe Kodike is working hand in hand, because Ebe Kodike has been on this woman's head for a very long time, because somehow maybe it could be their boyfriend. I don't know. Like Mazi Akwa likely said here that he's her boyfriend. I'm not sure of that. But why is so that claim that what Mazi Akwa and Ebe Kodike na work Ebe Kodike something like that. We go Mazi Akwa ya say wo ini no ga we ka o prove Biafra. O prove ndi Biafra bet na kia Ocha. Oya trigger Mazi Akwa we ga mabuzi candle. We drop go down for the time being. Bunze candle. Ji candle we on a candle we na say good thing.
If I swear and she doesn't come out to swear, I bet her with my 10 fingers and my 10 toes.
Like always.
Everything about her destiny will be disfigured.
10 fingers and 10 toes, always.
Everything about Adati Orama, Mary Chika Ike, everything about her will go south. If my hands are clean. If my hands are not clean, if I know Ebe Kodike, if I have seen Ebe Kodike before, if I have ever heard Ebe Kodike's voice in this my ear before, Adadorama will live long. She will prosper. She will be a billionaire. Me, I will suffer. If I have ever heard Ebe Kodike, that person they call Ebe Kodike. If I have ever text phone, call him or he call me, and then we talk about Simon Epa, and I stab Simon Epa in the back, and I tell Ebe Kodike, so and so, please don't go and talk about that or all those things she's saying in this her darkness. If I know Ebe Kodike, if any other match on why she will see it, it will do well with her. But if I don't, Adadorama will she will suffer in the morning, she will suffer in the afternoon, she will suffer in the night until she pass out of this life. Muawura fe chamaka jere, afamu gwa jere, ama tura Adadorama, Mary Chika Ike, ama tura ya aja na balea. Omu awu vam. Ama tura ya aja na balea. Asu no fonye sioro ọha ga-eri, but ọha siere ofu onye ka afọ ga-ejibie ya. Adadorama, Mary Chika Ike, ọha ga-esiri gị nri. You see this video you're seeing? She put her camera because of me in darkness. I have to put on candle, and I have lights here, and I have a umbrella, and I'm putting all this light on in me fair. I cannot be in darkness. I'm in light. Because I'm in light, and the truth of God is in me. This light of God will deliver me always and keep me. But because she's in darkness, lying against me, saying all manner of bad things against me, and against Mazi Mamadabum, and that you will wander in darkness until you perish. That is that is, you will be wandering in darkness. And we can win wooden soap. The more no blood in the dark until a war weekend. More than and I will never take it back. Because I have kept you quiet all this while. Every time you will talk about, people will be telling me, hey, come on, people.
Now you can see how what Mazi Akwa is saying, trying to prove that he knows nothing about the book and all that. But the question is, why is Lazuba, making that kind of allegation on him? Why? According to Mazi Akwa, although I want you to hear it, from him, that's why I cannot play all this video. I have to be dragging it a little bit. Okay. So just let me see if I can get some. So Mazi Akwa is here playing the audio of PM when PM called her Sabo, and she cried out begging. Mazi Akwa is trying to remind her what she did in the past. Okay, that's what the video is all about. And like I said, I will be skipping those areas.
I'm telling you. Yeah, me, you want my God, you have been before home and do that. Because I want to catch the Ocha, I can't do Ocha. You hear me? You got to go home out. But as far as my man, I can't do Ocha. You hear me? Like you never there. Hey, if I make it, they got Tom. They got Tom up. Because I know myself. The major of the mother, maybe the man, major mother before.
I don't think so. You made a bad mother.
Why?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Or you put asunder, at least it's stronger, eating everything you. Don't take it and say, I disagree. I can never leave that person. I can never leave that person. Oh, number one,
you want to go from the struggle. I don't know. If we go from this struggle, if I can make it, open at the struggle. You want to go already. If we need it, you need darkness. Say no. When I come after, more can be Ocha. In order to meet it, now come after. Hey, he just get your first gonna. He just go of a gonna. More than I go. All couldn't candle a name. More than ever now. Except me, I can marry you. Hey, cha. Except my darkness, I can defeat light. Open darkness can never defeat light. Just watch the way I defeat you. You see the way I defeat you. You see the way I defeat you.
I'm inside the saboteurs. None of this is trouble. I swear with everything I have. Each and every show, there is saboteur. This is trouble. I will destroy that person. I will destroy that person. I will destroy that person.
Shut up your mouth. Yeah, hello, priest. Your voice is coming out live.
So we cannot continue, this part is where you're just trying to water ground and all that. Let us go straight to this part and see, because I'm looking for that part. Now listen.
We have got to the point where literally any.
So they are playing advert from Mazi Akwa's end. Let's see. We'll let the advert finish first before we can continue.
We were not organizing the big church. We have a prayer. Mazi began to pray. He prayed this prayer. You lead this prayer, and then you will stay in darkness. Look at Mazi Nnamdi. Just look at yourself now. Mazi Nnamdi is praying in the light, but you are in darkness. You are in darkness. But when you do not evil, can't you see that you are evil? Can't you see that you are evil? Inside darkness.
Remember this guy, these two of them teamed up, that they want to attack, analyze Ngozi Labeze after fundraising, according to Lazuba. Now they are now tearing themselves apart simply because of money issue. And Lazuba can never ever work with anybody successfully. That is for sure. But there's something that Mazi Akwa said here, and that thing has to do with the communication between Imam Madabo and Lazuba in Finland. And that part is where the whole thing gets, you I believe you will pick interest on that one. If you have not watched it, yeah, you are going to listen to that. Let's keep this.
There's an appeal date, and it is August 5th.
No. I want us to hear what Lazuba said.
Praying in the light, but you are in darkness.
Just pay attention. Pay attention.
In darkness. But when you do not can't you see that you are evil? Can't you see that you are evil? Inside darkness. But when you do not need light, open, then on a darkness. And after praying this prayer, you will go ahead and be lying. Okay, it has started, so I have to. So for you to come that, give back for me and I will come for her.
I'm almost away because actually I reply vam.
Now listen here.
Message this morning. And this message actually reply vam to you. And I say that now. Am I wasn't vam again. It was Yaku for sake of Abatobi. Ekuzi Oku Basara vam again. Agent in Finland for Abatobi. What on your manager in Finland? Nobody. On your Kolomogo flight. My Kolomogo hotel room, Ebeno. Which I can't the hotel. Until I back to France. On your Kolomogo, which I'm very, very happy. In Jeffo Batobi. On your can I say, if from Madananya, or you put in a muddy, I don't know propaganda. I want to he can Jeff be there. I want my problem. I want my problem. I found the reason why in a Jew and Jeff Chappy and Ocha in a well joy, Nata. Don't you fear? Mama on social media. Not body on me. I don't know my program moment. I for my just not go for progress. Come like any if you found there. Or which corner a bonum, chill corner we just dancing Obatobi court case is August 5. But I don't because that's me I put out what date. Sending the one August distant. Send the one na fight us na see so you go now no August 5. Let me tell you something, Bam. You know everything. There is something that you think that you know. And more it's because of media and social media. We're August 8. I was also August 5. And also August 5, I end also seeing no idea.
Now, this bastard of a woman went to Finland. Before she went to Finland, now she's saying that she's talking as if I am not happy that she went to Finland. Nobody's angry that you went to Finland. You know your intention of going to Finland. That's your own cup of tea.
Okay.
But the fact that I have asked the Minister of Information, I have always brought news to Biafran people. I have told Biafran people that there's an appeal date and it is August 5th. This shameless woman in her program debunked it. August, all the way, August, hey, bam, 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 no, you know, bam, 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 keep quiet on all those things. She debunked it. And I told Biafrans, August 5th is the date. That is the day it will start, but we don't know when it will end. My exact words, that we don't know when it will end, but that's the day it will start. So if you are booking your flight, book it from August 5th. But when it will finish, we don't know. I said I will be checking for my own flight. She didn't believe me. And I don't expect her to believe me. But she went down and she got the same date. And she came out. What is she supposed to say? Is she not supposed to say, it's the same date that Bam 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 said? That is what I am confirming now. I fought against it. I made a mistake. All the lies that she has said, whenever truth comes, she doesn't admit that she lied. But she will keep insulting and cursing everyone. She has cursed out every member of the BGC and CMC, everyone in that cabinet, insulting everyone. And now she's doing this thing, sitting in darkness. She's in a hotel room. There's light everywhere. The reason why I have this light is to destroy that darkness you come with into this movement. Light and darkness have nothing in common. The light of God that I carry, that is the light.
Okay, now Eggman is busy trying to reverse what he claimed that why is trying to do, bringing darkness and all that. And the question is, what is her intention to off her light and try to run a live program? Because she made this video on a live broadcast, even though she spent little time. But even if she recorded it, she decided to record the video. Why must you off your light? If you take her back, you can see light. It's not as if there's no light. She off it on purpose, and she's wearing eyeglass, black tinted eyeglass without any light. You see, most of these people, if they have chance to, go, extreme diabolically, they will do it. Honestly, I don't know her mission, but this is a battle between Mazi Akwa and Okwa, because why is Okwa Mazi Akwa? Listen.
This thing is very long, so I'm just going to pick some of the things.
Please, what I mean by Okwa is as a friend or not a girlfriend, please. Listen.
Because it's very long. Maybe I can even make it to go faster, so that can we attend there to this thing? I'm going to keep again one idea. You're saying you will be. I'm going to zombie. Where the guy he talks now or now about your job. That's not what I'm shameless.
What's my budget to joke?
I promise over Toronto, Saga.
How many promise? Always I promise. This is typical, those guys, all those so-called ex-brigade ministers and officials. I promised PM that I'm ambassador. I promised PM and I'm ambassador. But how many promises have you guys made? PM told us we should not attack each other, but they keep on attacking other people. Even Mazi Akwa, I could remember when he also come up with this idea. Oh, Mazi, PM say we should not attack anybody. With that social media should be quiet. But we suffer. Same person, same video. That is their mindset. They cannot do with anything good. They always go after everything bad. Always want to, side it. Always want to get involved.
And that is usual. Depends on how to get for. If they forget, because as far as I'm concerned, give me figure name, man. You are full of evil, and that evil gets so deep. Evil are able gets so deep. There's no truth in you, there's no light in you. Everything you do is darkness and evil. And I'm an evil and then we are coming back over here. And let me tell you something that you don't know. Finland.
Okay, now listen.
Need to run Windows on your Mac?
This is another advert. Just a moment.
Because I don't know happy about it. Every actual code like this, let it be. But be friends, we know the truth.
Okay.
Don't let them push you. Don't let them push you.
Oh, get that camera.
You are the one that is pushing yourself. You are the one that is coming out to cause confusion. You are the one that says, Ada, don't let them push you. And you are in darkness, pushing yourself onto destruction, pushing yourself against the work of God. Ada, don't let them push you. You. Chineke ga-abọ gị ike. Ofu Chukwu kabiaba, ọ ga-abọ gị ike. Ada, don't let them push you. They want to push someone into destruction. Ada, don't let them push you. Please, calm down, please, calm down. Don't let them push you. Don't let them push you, please. These are psychological things. Freeman equal to onye and obieze. Obieze, Freeman equal to onye Oh, that don't let them push you. This woman, God will deal with you. I'm telling you. Except my mama, I come out. I try to come and I come Koroto. Chineke naga pocket.
Okay. The only thing we can get bam. JJ Mama de Abu. So second, JJ Mama de Abu conversation money Mama de Abu yesterday.
Now, this is where you will know how devilish this woman is. Also, look at join Mama de Abu conversation yesterday. So listen carefully and see how satanic this woman is. Listen. Watch.
JJ Mama de Abu conversation money Abu yesterday. And I thank God when I call a Mama de Abu, I'm not alone. Ndị na-afa ijefu ọbataobie nọ with me. We God make that call. And then when I say I'm actually make call I knew her. Because I want to make this call knew her. I turn this call to another 10. And I call those people and I put the phone speak out.
Now, this bastard of a woman, she make a call without any reservation. Yana PM agreed because PM say boy mama dad.
Listen,
something evidence to give to mama dad. Evidence to get help KC PM. PM say I no got boy mama dad. You want to or say PM? Nya ga have boy mama dad because nya majority mama dad. Nya be fene kwesi ikwe to mama dad. PM say a boy or somebody mama dad aga hebu call. PM say okay, na ya wa PM ga akpọ Mama Dabo. Na akpọ Mama Dabo, ni Mama Dabo go call ya kpozie ya. So PM kpozie Mama Dabo si ya adadiora ma ga akpọ gị. Mama Dabo si ya ke adadiora ma ke ejikwa na nwa ya ebibi gị anyị na-eme. Na enwe ha niche ya na adadiora ma ga ekwu. That's all because all of whom the kind of names this shameless woman have called Mama Dabo, the kind of insult this God-forsaken woman has called Mama Dabo. So if Mama Dabo is your father, will you allow him to answer this God-forsaken woman? The answer is no. Now this woman went ahead As PM have convinced her that the Imam Madabu will answer your call, don't worry, call him. Then when she want to call this Imam Madabu, she have people around her. She put the phone on speak out. Can you imagine the level of disrespect? And she said this thing in public. Now, Imam Madabu believe that he's having a private conversation with Adan Ocha.
Now, you see, what goes around comes around. Once you begin to do something evil against other people, against the innocent, one way or another, you will experience it. Both you, Eggman, Mazi Akwa, both you, Adan Ocha, why is Ocha, both you, Imam Madabu, the man who claimed he can, swear in and all that and create office. All of you always, involved in anything criminality. Imagine Imam Madabu telling PM that now why is such a maybe saying if Imam Madabu, check your own profile. Have you done well? You see, they always abandon their own to talk about another people. Why is such is very bad, very, very, very bad. In fact, there's no. I have said it before. Even in Nigeria, let's say even PDP, APC, or whatever. If this woman get involved or join them, she will do some organize. Do you understand? So I'm not here to defend her, but all of you have one way or another have get involved in this problem. What is going on now? I don't know if you had paid attention to the first video that I played when we started. That's why you start giving updates of what PM told her. Listen again. This video, just pay attention. What is going on? Let me take it back a little bit because I want you to hear what you just said here about the outcome of her meeting with the PM and all that. She said something here that PM told everybody to come to Finland. People will go to Finland, and if you are USB, if you are everybody should come. I want us to keep note of one thing in that part before we now go back to this video. Now listen here. What now, listen here. And after you will understand why I come back here for you to hear this.
Because I'm not going to see
now, this is an invitation to everybody. Whether you are BCG or BGC, whether you are fallback Republic of Ndeko with their new APM or do whatever, whether you are in CRC, whether you are in autopilot, whether you are dormant, you are silent, whether you are in USB government, you can, if you love PM, if you love, not even if you love PM, if you believe that Biafra should be free, you are expected to pick your ticket in solidarity with the PM court case, according to what she said in August. Now, these are the same group of people who always tell us that PM can never ever work with Ngozi again. He can never ever work with it. At the same time, the invitation is meant for everybody. Why are they no longer talking about PM can never work with Ngozi again? You see all those ones with Ngozi, they are gone forever. PM, the least thing that PM wants to see in his life is anybody that associates with Ngozi, let alone Ngozi alone. Insubordination, trying to belittle people and insult people, undermine the truth. This is a way to make sure that they talk down on DPM COS Dr. Abeze. But here is Mazi Akwa, who always do the same thing insulting DPM is here telling you that, do you know the level of, disrespect, that why should I disrespect Imam Madabo by putting his call with Imam Madabo, on a loudspeaker and recording it? Because why should I say that? Why should I call Imam Madabo a conversation that's supposed to be between her and Imam Madabo? According to what Mazi Akwa said, that PM is one that actually begged Imam Madabo to accept her call, which is another insult to PM. How can PM be the one begging Imam Madabo to accept the why it's such a call? I don't think that PM begged Imam Madabo. PM just instructed Imam Madabo to do that. If that actually happened at all. But Mazi Akwa have to say it because Mazi Akwa allegiance now, or his nan pay more respect to Imam Madabo than PM. Just like Sona Bawana is paying more paying respect to Isaiah Yogo than PM. That one even call PM is Sabuto and everything. But listen.
Can I do with one voice?
Can I do with one voice? Everybody.
What's the boss logo
no? No, so give Finland. Now go get.
I mean, there's no Ogenkelo. You believe in Ogenkelo. You believe in Ngozola Bolo Fulani. You believe in a CRCO. In your job, I will when you believe in a group, I believe in a group, I believe in a group. If you're job, Biafra, your job.
Now, that is it. So, to some of us that always want to counter or argue, oh, PM shouldn't have called it up. If this is your own opinion, allow PM to also do his own. But at the end of the day, allow PM to come out first before that thing that you are eyeing will not take place. Don't expect PM to say that, to say, oh, Ogenkere is here banned, here, Ogenkere is here being banned, and cease to exist. Don't expect PM to say, oh, USB government, you are hereby being banned and cease to exist. Oh, CRC, he's just looking at everyone like this. Do what you are doing. But if you already know the mandate and what PM is always stand for, justice and equity and fairness, PM is a straightforward human being, not Connie. Acting on sentiment is not for him. He don't act premature. If you know PM, I have not worked with him, but the little that I know, that I can see from afar on social media, I can tell you that PM is well grounded in terms of decision making. And I'm not going to further this because those who have here have already captured what I'm trying to say. Now let's go back to this.
Not knowing that this demonic woman put phone on speak out. I don't know the people that were around her. Her own caliber, of course. The people that listen like her, of course. They were there and she put the phone on speaker. When I got my mother, then she is still bragging openly that now record what that phone call a record. The mama Dabu, they convinced PM convinced the neighbor not to call. And then when this shameless woman called the mama Dabu was saying, okay, yeah, I hear you. Tell me, PM said you will call me. PM told me that you will call me. I said, no, PM na yoya. Ya or the mama nobody yawa. Sorry for no PM na yoya biko. That name we had to call that all day for. She was now lying to Mama Dabu that it is PM that was begging her. That she said that if it's not for God, that she wouldn't have called. The Mama Dabu said, me that you insulted all these things. How would I take him get Sisi Maka? Take his assistant master. It's why say one PM na siasi. A question record of that call. Play it. Let it be that we have the problem.
Now he's requesting that why just to play the record because why just claim that he according to her he recorded. So if she actually recorded, Mazi Akwa is the man that go ahead and play it. Let people hear. But let me tell you, I don't know if you noticed. The Mazi Akwa claimed that PM begged Imam Madabo to accept what he just called. Guess what? Why she went there? The reason why she went to Finland is that she have an evidence and to give to PM for PM court, appeal case and everything. And PM said she went there without informing Mama Dabo or anybody. She just went there on her own. According to Mazi tried to explain how she managed to get to PM. That there's a people that, I don't know, he not mentioned the people, that a man and some people are going there to pay a visit to PM. Then this woman may have noticed that, and she walked to them and joined them. So the report that came, the report to PM is that they told PM that these people are coming with another individual. That individual was not mentioned because why should I play that one very, very good? She managed not to mention her name so that nobody will notice that she went there. When she went there, Imam Adabo, because according to Mazi Akwa, that in that group, Imam Adabo is one to know who is coming and visit, like he's giving access. You have to pass through Imam Adabo, which is not true, because USB government also are going there to visit PM. So I believe that the idea of Imam Adabo is one in charge of to know who is going there is not true. But Mazi Akwa have to put it out there so that you that are watching this video now will believe that they are the one that have access to PM. But there's nothing like that. I don't believe it, and I don't think it's possible. So Mazi Akwa is here trying to tell you that no, PM actually begged Imam Adabo to accept the call. And Mazi Akwa have issue when my sister said, no, PM actually begged me to call you. So both of them are trying to tell you that the PM is begging them. PM is now begging them. Pride, senseless ego, because you guys are nothing. That's why you are looking you are lying to become something. If you're actually something, you don't need to, because that's who you are. You don't need to elevate yourself or blow your trumpet, because people will see you eventually. They will know your capacity, your capability, what you can do. But this idea of, oh, don't belittle me, I have to do this for me to be elevated, because you already done. That's why you're looking for somebody to do. You want to lie or cook up something for people to see you that you are actually up there. Now let's continue. Pay attention, because I have issue with this kind of, oh, he called me, PM begged me, oh, PM did not ask me, I did not ask PM to beg on my behalf. In fact, PM is the one that said I should call you. Why is that? Her evidence that because she's going there to submit evidence. I forgot to mention that she went to Finland to submit evidence that was going to help in the court case. Then after PM told her to call, when she finally called Imam Adabo, remember that the conversation went the way according to Mazi, just what she said. They started arguing on who, okay, you called me, or I did not. You are the one that called. Oh, PM said I should answer your call and all that. That's not my business. Why is it that presented video of what is the name of this guy from Biafran child, the one in Germany, and a video of Asari Dokubo. That these two videos is gonna help him in the court case. So that is why that's the reason why Ocha went there. I still don't believe that her journey is about the video. Yes, I don't believe that there's something she won't achieve. Not just video. Video is just to make it look like she want to bring something. Do you understand? It cannot be because of that video that she tried to go to Finland. If yes, then that video must be very, very special. But guess what? It seems like Imam Madam just laughed over it and said, look, you are just presenting nothing. PM asked her to go and give it to Imam Madam according to them. And she finally gave it to my Imam Madam, and they started arguing. If I know that you are here, this is what you say, I wouldn't have picked your call. If it's not because of PM that I even called you, or if not, I wouldn't have called you. Listen.
I wouldn't have picked
Your call. Evidence one.
Also, Biafran child and he has started the football and all those things. But you see, I remember that was okay. Okay, but you know, we that one because PM got that now. This is nega ha because we measure well. Okay, no, no PM self say but no go PM. Like happen. Remember that was so that doesn't come na PM now say. I said no, that one, that one, remember that was look, let me tell you. If I knew that this is what you are going to be saying, I would call me. But that's notwithstanding. Bye-bye. Mazi ended the call.
Okay.
Ended the call. Okay? And then as she's saying, she sent those things to Imam Madabu. And what are the things you sent to Imam Madabu? Biafra child watching it. That US bingo. US bingo in Germany. His live broadcast. He sent it. As a what? As evidence. Then he sent he has carried the coupon as evidence. PMDG Finland. Why was your own message? Ever know they use as evidence? They want to convince Finland that their PM na course will have na Biafra land. Then you are sending message. He can send as evidence. If I didn't know now, knowing he sent it, then I hadn't maybe he did not send it to Imam Madabo and I saw it. I would have been wondering that maybe you have a very important.
But look, wait. Mazi Akwa is the way you are talking. So, are you saying that what somebody said with her man, with his or her man, like talk or live video or video of someone, that people shouldn't use it as an evidence? I don't understand that part, but that's the story for now because I'm not a lawyer. Maybe what they said in the video is not good enough to help. But this idea of if somebody put on as an evidence, of course you can use it as an evidence. But the content of that thing is what matters. But I don't believe that because of that, why she decided to travel to Finland. She went there in my own belief, in my own God-given brain. I felt that there's something behind it. It could be physical, it could be spiritual. I'm not gonna say anything, but let's continue.
Update or a very important evidence to send to PM. All those your noise on social media, all those your blah 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 blah. What kind of send evidence? Evidence PM and I just evidence. You wait for the Finland. Evidence is the Finland. They go Biafra child in Matile. Here are they make. They not a black darkness. Now come move. Talk about me disrespect him as a Madabo. Ibineti webe one okay. Ekwone na me ekuzi okwu ọzọ. To wait, no we kiss in Finland because some believe no so no about to be na communicate. Okay, what I go van. So, ofoni na ina soluchi every day. I won't solo go for one day. Man ofoni na ina soluchi yele. And I want to ask you go for. I didn't ask for if you marrow. I call Alanagi. Ibineti webe one way okay. Then put in a me ekuzo also. Pasalaki.
Are you looking for a family-friendly church that welcomes kids? Here we're all about helping people learn more about Jesus Christ.
So, at first, we always come.
And I pray for this in Japan, Finland with happiness. Only achieve because of envy and jealous. Only Jebel no sins. Turn one to another thing.
Envy and jealous of what? I need envy and jealous of what? You are the one that is coming out and talking about us. Now, the only reason,
like I told you, the video is getting too long. I have to cut it here because we cannot play everything. They said a lot of unnecessary things. Mazi Akwa, started talking about everything, swearing and everything and all that about Ebeko Dike, how he never worked with Ebeko Dike. You don't even know who Ebeko Dike is and all that. I am not here for that. I just want you to know the role she played in Finland. In a banana brag is that we are jealous that I went to Finland and all that. This is how she actually sees this going to Finland as a very big deal. I got to Mazi Akwa after Imam Madabo, encounter with Nwayi Ocha. Imam Madabo decided not to, In fact, he regretted answering her call, according to Mazi Akwa. Then he later related to Mazi PM, according to them. Then PM now said, okay, that people that why should I went there to see PM with, that he don't want to see them again, and he don't want to see why he's again, according to Mazi Akwa, because Mazi Akwa can lie for just his life a living. This is a man who claimed that US government have done talk to PM, and PM don't even want to see DPM at all for no reason. Mazi Akwa have said it when he was with the he also repeated it now that he's with the CRC. So he always go against DPM or a better. And the reason why all of them are attacking her is because she's the real deal. She is the real deal. PM is not against USB government or restricting USB government from contacting or talking. In fact, they're actually communicating. But came and caused. I don't want to further this. Please let me know what you think about all we discussed so far about it, why is such a visit to Finland. The video, there's a lot of controversial comments, in this video and all that, but like I told you, for the sake of this recording, I don't want to stretch it beyond this. Please, the purpose of this is so to show you what happened, what transpired in Finland, and her visit, and how she came back, confused. And the so-called reason why she traveled, it sounds like a child play. And like I said, maybe there's some reasons that's behind her trip to Finland, because it cannot just tell me that she flew to Finland simply because she wants to show different child video and what was said. If that is the case, she would have conveyed these messages to Imam Madabo, or find a way to give it to PM than going there. I think one of the reasons why she went there is to show that she's on ground. She can meet PM and she's representing, because she wants to lead men on ground by fire by force. Is it a coincidence that just now that Biafran Army decided to come out, the VLA decided to come out and talk, she now find her way to Finland? Finland, since they convinced PM, she did not even travel. First thing she said then is that she had been, vindicated, that she won PM, and that was why she was dancing and all that. Is that the kind of person that you're going to trust? And they always disrespect PM. Let's assume that what Mazi Akwa said is true. Call Imam Madabo. Let's assume, I'm not saying it's true. Call Imam Madabo and give that evidence to him. Why must you call Imam Madabo and put it in the loudspeaker? And not only that, you claim that you recorded it. What is it to record it when you actually put it already, when you already have, you said you have a witness around you? So please let me know what you think about all this, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself, and see you again. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.